Welcome back as we explore this beautiful chestnut brown bamboo shower bench for your home. This seat features high-quality natural wood that perfectly matches a sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle. You will love the built-in storage shelf for keeping all your favorite toiletries organized. The durable waterproof design is very stable and easily supports up to 250 pounds. It provides a safe and comfortable seating option for seniors or anyone recovering from an injury. Setting up your new spa stool is simple and takes less than 10 minutes to complete. Enhance your daily bathroom routine with this elegant and highly functional bamboo furniture piece today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.